Former police officer Tommy Cabello has been sentenced to 10 years in prison.
It is the maximum sentence the retired police officer faced, and in the eyes of the court, it was time for Cabello to face justice.
Having heard all of the evidence in this case, it is my belief that you're dangerous not only to your family, but to the community at large.
Now, Lee SAUSLEY, Katia Udiarte, Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson, Sports Director Alan Harwell. This is Chris 6 News at 6.
Good evening, everyone. Tommy Cabello, the retired police officer convicted of assaulting his wife over the span of 17 years, is now heading to prison. Before announcing the sentence, Judge Klein made sure that Cabello understood the gravity of his crime, and she didn't pull any punches either. Our Paulo Salazar has the story.
Well, lead Judge Klein sentenced Cabello to 10 years in prison. She said it was a dark day when someone who was sworn to protect the law is found guilty of continuously abusing the woman he promised to love and take care of the rest of his life. She then gave Cabello the maximum sentence.
It is my belief that you're dangerous not only to your family, but to the community at large. So at this point, having had the jury find you guilty of all 3 offenses, I'm sentencing you to 10 years in the Texas Department of Corrections.
Tommy Cabello showed no emotion when the sentence was handed down. His ex-wife Tina began sobbing before the sentence was announced. She had asked the judge, however, to send Cabello to prison. She said she would fear for her safety if he was given probation. The judge acknowledged her fears during the sentencing.
I cannot imagine what your ex-wife and son have gone through and will continue to go through in their road to recovery. But I do want for them to know that they didn't bring you here, you did. And I don't want for your son to ever think that it's his guilt that you're wearing the shackles and the handcuffs.
Tommy Cabello will have to serve at least a year and a half of his sentence before he can be considered for parole. Lee?
Well, Cabello's son wrote a song about the abuse that he and his mother suffered for years, and the judge allowed the prosecutor to read the lyrics during the sentencing hearing. We posted a portion of those lyrics for you on ChrisTV.com if you'd like to look them over.